Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have Neo here, and I don't think he need any presentation here. If you haven't heard about Neo, where have you been the last 20 years? Great artist. And this one is a cool song called Don't Love Me. So he begs, don't love me. Alright. And this is just about two different grips. We can say it's based upon the F and E sort of, but yeah, we'll not go over the chords. It's just two grips and a melody to that. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's set our capo here high up on the 6th fret. That's the absolute easiest way to handle the notes. So capo on 6, and let's go over the two different melodies or grips. So the first one will be based upon, we can call it F. So you have the bass note here on F. So that means 1st fret on E string. And the part will sound like this. All right, to begin with. So we have 1st fret E string, then open D, open G, and then comes this part on B string. So that means you hit it on the open and you hammer on the 1st fret B string. So you hammer on, you just put your finger here. I prefer my middle finger to use that one on the 1st fret B string, like this. So let's look at that again. 1st fret E string, open D, open G, then open to 1st fret on B string. Then you continue with open B string, and then you do that move again from the open to 1st with the hammer on, like this. And that is one round for F. So 1st fret E string, open D, open G, open to 1st on B, then open B, and open to 1st on B. You're gonna play that round for 2 rounds. So and then you play the next grip, which is based upon the E chord, you can say. And you will play the exact same pattern there. The only difference here is you're gonna play with open E string instead of the 1st. Okay, so next round, just open, everything is the same. So alright, so you just shift the bass strings from 1st to open like this. So I prefer to have my grip steady here, so I don't go like this. So I keep it there with my middle finger ready for do this open to 1st all the time. So I'm keeping my middle finger here. That's easiest way for me. It's up to you, matter of taste there, but yeah, that's how I do it. Now we'll just add some sugar on this because we want this beat and clap. Okay, so if you choose to play with the clap, you will put it right after you hit this 1st time open to 1st B. Here you hit the clap. All right, so slowly it will be like this with this F grip. So right after this, you hit the clap. Okay, and that is the same scenario when it comes to the E bass, when the open E string is the bass there, all right? So slowly, it will be 2 rounds of F, 2 rounds of E, and it will sound like this with the clap. And you know what? That is pretty much what this song is all about. It goes like this through the entire song. So Neo, Don't Love Me. Gordon Guitar, Love Me. Yeah, you understand. I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, please thumb up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Support me here. I love you guys. So yeah, play tuned.